So right now, the buzz isn't necessarily about crypto. It's about the stock market, GameStop, AMC, short squeezes taking place throughout the space, going on massive surges, crypto type runs over just the last few days. And the big reason why this is taking place is Roaring Kitty, after a 3-year hiatus, is back on the scene, posting on Twitter. Not really doing much, but just posting. And that has gotten people excited again. And I've seen people have questions, is this going to start alt season? Is this going to be the reason that Shiba Inu pumps? So I want to discuss this with you guys. So for those who aren't familiar with the story, you should get on Netflix. You should watch the movie Dumb Money. It's a great movie, by the way. Very great portrayal of what took place back in early 2021. And what happened is Roaring Kitty was able to do the unthinkable. He was able to band retail together, a space that typically competes with itself and has trouble sometimes finding community, rallied together against the big dogs in the space and was able to move GameStop price from $3 all the way up to $500, crushing a bunch of institutions along the way, a bunch of the smart money, right? Now, what's interesting is this exact same thing is taking place again. Big short squeezes taking place in terms of GameStop and AMC. GameStop is up over 200% over the last 5 days, much of this being over the last 2 days, up in pre-market again. AMC, similar story there. And right now, what you're seeing is retail excitement. Now, this all took place back in early 2021. It was January of 2021. And during that time, we were already in alt season. Alt season had began. We had gotten our first leg and we were going through some consolidation. You guys can see the drop here in terms of BTC basically extending from the early part of January up until about the time where these short squeezes actually stopped. Now, with this reinvigoration of retail money, it actually caused I think it caused the next leg in the crypto market, the next leg up. Maybe it's just a big coincidence, but that's where these legs come from. That's where these movements come from in terms of crypto price. They come from retail excitement. And right now, that's just kind of what we're lacking in the crypto market. This is when BTC made its next leg. It's when really most of crypto started to move to the upside in even bigger ways than what it did in the end of 2020. So with Shiba Inu, is this something that can pump SHIB to the next level? Is it something that can cause us to get our next leg? Indirectly, yes. Now, I'm not saying that Roaring Kitty is going to flow into Shiba Inu or anything like that, but can this cause this excitement to flow into crypto? Yes, it can. And the reason why is once you start to see this excitement in the stock market fizzle out, right? People are having fun chasing GameStop right now. Eventually it starts to correct. Eventually it comes back down, I'm sure the institutions open up bigger short positions and try to crush retail. We'll see how high it gets this time. But when that cool off starts to happen, many people have then tasted blood, right? They want more. They want more volatile, faster movements. And then where do they turn to? The crypto market. It's very tough to band retail together in a way that moves stock prices that fast. But guess what? It doesn't take that much to move it in crypto. And this is where we may see that next leg, that next explosive move in terms of the crypto market. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be today or tomorrow or next week or next month or whatever, right? It takes time for these things to play out. But this may just be the catalyst that really sparks retail excitement again. For SHIB, a coin that is very heavily dominated by retail and by excitement and prices moving, that may be what gets the ball rolling again here. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I definitely recommend checking out that movie if you haven't. I've watched it a couple times. It's really good. So appreciate you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, but have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.